guys, I'm Karen de la Cruz of Deco Home Furniture at ngayon papunta kaming Imus, Cavite para mag-deliver. Actually, ang client ko ay pinsan ko. Meron siya nakuhang bahay sa Camellia, Bukandala at nag-uumpisa siya magpundar ng mga gamit. At pa-customize siya sa akin ng sofa set. Bali yung napili niyang design ay kagaya sa client ko na taga-Antipolo. Kaso ang gusto ng pinsan ko, instead na 2-seater and 3-seater, gusto niya magiging isang 3-seater at dalawang single chair plus center table. The client's fabric choice for this sofa set is Cairo 13 in dark gray. And it also includes 5 back cushions filled with open fiber, Duratex foam for the padding kaya siguradong hindi siya madaling magsag. Like sa ibang foam, pag hindi Duratex ang ginamit, mga ilang buwan lang, lulubog na siya. Kaya mas maganda magpa-customize kaysa bumili sa mall kasi mas masusunod yung gusto mong design, fabric choice, measurement at siguradong quality. So let me show you the end result of the sofa.
Wow!
Many thanks to my cousin Jane Rodriguez for choosing and trusting Deco Home. So happy that you are satisfied with the result. Then I'm looking forward to do business with you again soon. And that's it for today. At kung gusto niyo rin magpa-customize na ganun sofa, feel free to message us on our Facebook page Deco Home Furniture. And please don't forget to like and follow. Thank you for watching!